Alright, we're going to solve for the variable here. We know in a rectangle all the angles are 90 degrees, so we can go ahead and add that in. So we can set this equation as 2x plus 10 equals 90. Subtract the 10. 2x is equal to 80, divide by 2, x is equal to 40. Then we have a rhombus. In a rhombus, we know all the sides are congruent. So we can set those equal to each other. So we're going to do 7x is equal to 5x plus 4. Subtract the 5x on both sides. 2x is equal to 4. Divide by 2. X is equal to 2. Alright, today we're going to look at trapezoids. The objective is to use properties of trapezoids. Alright, so a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides. So that looks like this. The bases are the parallel sides, so it would have been these two sides right here are the bases. The legs are the non-parallel sides. That would be right here. Those are the legs. The base angles would be the ones basically on the bases. So D and C are one pair, A and B are the other pair. Then those sides add up to 180. An isosceles trapezoid is a trapezoid whose legs or the non-parallel sides are congruent. Okay, so that would be, we still have the top and bottom or across our the opposite sides are parallel, but then these legs are congruent. So each pair of base angles are congruent. So that means it looks like this. D and C are congruent, A and B are congruent. Okay, so we need to find the missing measures if this is an isosceles trapezoid. So we're given D is 62. The one we know right away is its pair, which is A, so 62 degrees. Now we know B and C are going to be the same thing, and to find that, we know that these two, each of these, add up to equal 180. So we're going to do 180 minus 62, which is 118. So B is 118. And C is 118. Same thing. We're given A. Its pair is B, which is 79 degrees. We know these add up to 180, so we're going to do 180 minus 79, which is 101. So C is 101, D is 101. Alright, now we need to label these as a trapezoid, an isosceles trapezoid, or neither. So this one, because it has parallel sides and it has legs that are congruent, it is an isosceles trapezoid. The next one, it has a pair of parallel sides, so this is just a trapezoid, because it doesn't tell us if the legs are congruent or not. Now we're going back to the same ones as before. If B is 115, we know C is 115. To find these two right here, we subtract from 180. So this is 65 degrees, and this is 65 degrees. Alright, if C is 45, D is going to be 45. To find these two up here, you subtract from 180. Going to be 135. So A is 135, B is 135. Alright, what did we learn about today? Today we learned about some trapezoids. If you have any questions, a sample test question could be this. 68 degrees.